Hello, good morning. Today we discuss about ventricular system. Ventricular system is combination of fourth ventricle, third ventricle, lateral ventricle. This ventricular system present in human brain. In human, what ventricle used for? Ventricle present in heart or part of heart, that is right ventricle and left ventricle, and in brain lateral ventricle, third ventricle and fourth ventricle. So this ventricular system form the cerebrospinal fluid and transmit from lateral ventricle to third ventricle by interventricular foramen, and then from third ventricle to fourth ventricle cerebrospinal fluid passes, and it again passes up to the meninges and spinal cord. So in this way, formation of cerebrospinal fluid maintained by this system, formation and circulation and absorption. So we see one by one. First is the fourth ventricle. This fourth ventricle present in the lower part of the ventricular system, superior horn of lateral ventricle, then lateral ventricle, then inferior horn of the lateral ventricle, and below the inferior horn of lateral ventricle, fourth ventricle is present. So fourth ventricle is one of the four connected fluid filled cavity. फ्लूइड फिल्ड कैविटी, ऐसा कैविटी जिसमें फ्लूइड भरा हुआ है. दिस कैविटी collectively known as ventricular system. Fourth ventricle is a part of ventricular system. Extension of fourth ventricle is, fourth ventricle extends from the cerebral aqueduct to the obex. It extends from cerebral aqueducts to the obex and is filled with cerebrospinal fluid. Morphology of fourth ventricle. Fourth ventricle has a characteristic diamond shaped appearance in cross section. In cross section we see diamond shaped appearance of fourth ventricle. A term comes in fourth ventricle is obex, O-B-E-X, obex. What is obex? So the word obex derived from Latin word which means barrier. The word obex is derived from Latin word which means barrier. It is point in the human brain at which the fourth ventricle narrows to become the central canal of the spinal cord. Obex present in the human brain just below the fourth ventricle narrows to become the central canal to the spinal cord. So obex present between the lower part or inferior aspect of the fourth ventricle and continues in a spinal cord. It present in caudal medulla. Caudal medulla. Situation of the fourth ventricle. So fourth ventricle is located within the pons or in the upper part of the medulla. You see diagram of the fourth ventricle in longitudinal section, you will found anteriorly fourth ventricle related with the pons and posteriorly with the cerebellum. Cerebrospinal fluid entering in the fourth ventricle through the central aqueduct. Cerebrospinal fluid entering in the fourth ventricle through the cerebral aqueduct can exit to the subarachnoid space. It exits to the subarachnoid space of the spinal cord through the lateral foramina of Lasca, and a single midline foramen of Magendie. Then roof and floor of the fourth ventricle. Roof of the fourth ventricle. Fourth ventricle has roof dorsally and floor ventrally. Dorsally roof and ventrally floor. The roof of the fourth ventricle is formed by the cerebellum. Roof of the fourth ventricle is formed by the cerebellum, superior and inferior medullary vela. The floor is formed by the rhomboid fossa. Floor of the fourth ventricle is formed by the rhomboid fossa, and the side wall formed by the cerebellar peduncle. So side wall of fourth ventricle is formed by the cerebellar peduncle. Development of fourth ventricle. So development of fourth ventricle originates from the portion of the neural tube that is present in the developing rhombencephalon. Fourth ventricle develops or originates from the portion of the neural tube that present in the developing rhombencephalon. Fetal lateral ventricle may be diagnosed using linear or planar measurement. So this is about the fourth ventricle. In fourth ventricle we see cerebrospinal fluid passes in fourth ventricle by the third ventricle, and inferiorly it continues in a spinal cord. It has floor, roof, diamond shaped appearance, and anteriorly is related with the pons and posteriorly related with the cerebellum. So you remember 4 or 5 things with proper diagram for attempting any question related to fourth ventricle in your theory examination. So this is especially for the first BHMS or first year medical students. Thank you. You subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.